Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're taking an epic descent deep inside a frozen mountain. Let's go.
Okay, let's dive right in. You know, journalists famously call this the Noah's Ark of plant diversity.
And honestly, they're right. Buried deep in Arctic permafrost near the North Pole sits our most important room. This insane facility is built to safeguard a mind-blowing 4.5 million unique seed samples. It sits at a freezing negative 18 degrees Celsius, basically locking these seeds in suspended animation. So that translates to a staggering max capacity of, get this, 2.5 billion individual seeds. Ultimately, this whole setup is humanity's ultimate global insurance policy against massive agricultural disasters.
Gene banks from Kenya to Peru send their hard-earned seeds all the way here just to keep them safe. Svalbard is literally perfect. The natural permafrost keeps crops frozen solid, even if the artificial cooling completely fails.
And this brilliantly illustrates something wild. Outside, bitter global conflicts. Inside, absolutely incredible international cooperation.
Yeah, even rivals cooperate here. Seeds from Russia, Ukraine, and North Korea literally rest peacefully side by side.
So the crucial point is, does this backup actually work? Well, just look at the empty Aleppo shelf. When Aleppo's gene bank was ruined, this exact backup system directly saved those crucial seeds from total extinction.
So inside this vault, we're literally looking at 13,000 years of human agricultural history. Crazy, right?
It houses massive collections of our essential crops, safeguarding hundreds of thousands of rice and wheat varieties alone.
Future breeders desperately need this genetic raw material to adapt crops and feed our rapidly growing population.
Because here's the scary part, unique plant varieties are actually going extinct every single day.
Which leaves us with this huge question about our shared future. Is humanity truly doing enough to protect it?